In the previous video, I explained about the functions. Now, I'm going to explain about the different types of the functions. So, we are having the many functions. The first one is inside functions. Inside the functions, we are having the different types of the functions. First one is we are having the non-parameterized function. We are having the first one is non-parameterized function. We are having non-parameterized function as well as we are having a parameterized function. First, I am going to explain about the two types of the functions. One is we are having the parameterized function and one is the non-parameterized function. So here I am going to explain what is the meaning of parameterized and what is the meaning of non-parameterized. Observe here, I am having a one function keyword. After the function keyword, I am having a function name. Okay, and inside this I'm having, after this show, I'm having a parenthesis bracket, but inside this parenthesis brackets there is no any inputs. If you are not writing any input parameters inside this parenthesis brackets, then this function is nothing but a non-parameterized function. So function keyword and function name is show data. Inside this function, inside this parenthesis brackets, there is no any input parameters. If you are not writing the any input parameters, this we have to call it as a non-parameterized function. Whether it is a parameterized function or whether it is a non-parameterized function, we need three parts of a function. First one is we can have a function keyword and function name. This function keyword and function name, and with the help of the curly braces, with the help of this parenthesis brackets is nothing but a function declaration. And next we can have the curly braces, and inside a curly braces whatever you have written here, that is called as a function body, and inside function body whatever we have written, this logic is called as business logic. And here the function name is I'm having a show, and so with the help of that whatever the function name is there, with the help of that function name you are trying to make a call, means this is a function calling or a function invocation. If you are not making a function call, then whatever you have written inside this body, it will not work. So here we are going to discuss about the parameterized function and non-parameterized function. Here the non-parameterized function means you are having a function keyword and you are having a function name, but after the function name you are having a parenthesis brackets, but inside this parenthesis bracket there is no any inputs. If you are not writing the any input parameters, it is called as a non-parameterized function. And observe next one, we are having a parameterized function. Parameterized function means here I have written a one function called as add function. So first one is I am having a one function keyword. After the function keyword, I am having a function name called as add function. For that add function, I am giving a comma b. I am giving inside a parenthesis brackets. If you are writing any variable names here, these are called as input parameters. Here a comma b are the input parameters. Means input parameter means it is going to accept the data from the function calling. Previously we were having only function keyword and function name and then parenthesis brackets. But here one extra thing is inside a parenthesis bracket we are having a comma b. Inside a parenthesis brackets, if you are writing any name here, these are called as input parameters. For example, here a comma b are the input parameters. Input parameter means it will take the data from the function calling. So inside this function you have written where c is equal to a plus b. A plus b means you are going to do the like addition operation. For example, here a value you are passing. For example, here the function name is add function, and so you are going to pass the a value and b value you are passing. So here whatever you are having a add function with the same name you are trying to call a function. So add function, so add I am calling. So you are having a as an input parameter, for that I am passing a 10 as a one value, and I am having a b as a one of the input parameter, for that I am passing a 20 as a value. Means if you observe here, inside a like parenthesis brackets there is no any input parameter. If you are not writing the any input parameter, means it is called as a non-parameterized function. If we observe at the time of function calling, we are not passing the any arguments. Arguments means giving the data to a input parameters. Inside a function declaration, inside a parenthesis brackets, if you are written something here, means that is called as input parameters. For that input parameters, at the time of function calling, if you are giving the any data, means that is called as arguments passing. Arguments passing means sending values to the input parameters. For example, here we are having a add as one of the function name, and inside a add function I am having a comma b as a two input parameters. Not only a, not only b, you can write anything here. If you are writing something inside a parenthesis bracket, that is called as input parameters. For that input parameters you need to give the data. You are giving the data, means that is called as passing arguments to the input parameters. For example, here add is the function name. So with the help of add function, with the help of the add name, I am trying to call this function. At the same time, at the time of calling a function, 10 I am passing as one of the value to the like a variable, a input parameter, and 20 I am passing as a one of the input, I am passing as a one of the value to the b input parameter. So now I have the like received the a value is 10 and b value is 20. Now here I am having a is 10 plus b is 20. So a value is 10, plus symbol we have used here, plus means addition operation we are going to do here. Then 10 plus 20, total 30 we will get. That 30 value I have assigned to a c variable. Now you are going to see something as a like result. The result is placed inside a like c variable. Now you are trying to do with the help of document dot write ln of, and inside a document dot write ln, inside a double quotations, result of c colon you have written. Whatever you have written inside a single double quotations or single quotations, it will print as it is over the screen. After that I am having a plus c. Plus c means, so a plus b, you are doing the addition operation here, then the result 30 will be stored inside a c, then that c value you are going to print here. So observe here, I am going to write the two types of the functions. So this is the like functions. First I am writing a one non-parameterized function. Non-parameterized function means I can have a function keyword. I can have a function keyword. After the function keyword, I can have a show as the like one of the like function name, and inside this function if you observe, I am having a empty parenthesis. I am having a empty parenthesis. Inside a parenthesis brackets, if you are not writing anything, means which is called as non-parameterized function. And inside this function, for example, here I have written document dot write ln of. For this document dot write ln, inside a double quotations, whatever you are writing the message here, that will print as it is over the screen. So this is a non-parameterized function. That's why I am writing this is a non-parameterized function. Non-parameterized means there is no input parameters here. No input parameters. No input to parameters. No input parameters. If you are not written any input parameters means then you no need to pass the any arguments. So here what I am doing is I am trying to print the output of a, I would like to see the output of a this show function. So that's why whatever the here the show name is there, with the help of this show name I am trying to call a function. So for example here this is a function calling or function invocation. Function calling or function invocation. I am having a, this one called as function calling or function invocation. Means you are trying to call a this show function. Inside of this show function you have written document dot write ln of. This is a non-parameterized function. Why we are calling the non-parameterized function means inside a this parenthesis brackets you are not written any input parameters here. If you are not writing anything here means it is called as non-parameterized function. To call a non-parameterized function, we no need to pass the any arguments. For example, to call this non-parameterized function, as it is we are taking this name here. As it is we are taking this name. That's it. But we are not passing any input parameters. We are not passing any arguments because here there is no any input parameters. Observe here. So I am going to click on, I am going to give the right click here and you can able to see the something called as copy path. And now observe, this is the previous one. And observe here, this is a non-parameterized function. Means we are having the two types of the functions. One is the parameterized function and one more is non-parameterized function. Non-parameterized function means you are not giving the any input parameters here. If you are not giving the any input parameters here means you no need to pass the any arguments to that function. So I am trying to write a one more function here, parameterized function. Then you can observe here. I am having a one function. I am having a one function. Function name is add function. For this add function, I am having a comma, I am having a b. Here a comma b are the like two input parameters. A and b are the input to parameters. Whatever you have written inside this add function, here you have written the a comma b. A comma b are the two input parameters. Input parameter means for that input parameters we have to pass the arguments. Arguments passing means giving the value to the input variables. So inside I am having a where c I am having c is equal to 30 we have to give like this. But instead of giving the direct value to the c variable, so in place of this 30 what I am doing is I am taking this a as it is. I am taking this a as it is. Okay. After that I am using the like one plus symbol. Plus symbol means addition operation I am going to do. And I am having a b here. I am taking the like b as one of the value here. Now observe. This is the a value and this is the like b value. Means a plus b, with the help of the plus symbol you are going to do the addition operation. Addition means addition is one of the arithmetic operation, you are going to do that one. So here a plus b means you will get the, like for example, if you are passing the a value as a 20 and b value is 10, then 20 plus 10 is a 30. 30 is the like final value you are going to store, or you are going to assign that value to a c variable. Then you are printing document dot write ln of what you are doing is the result of c, the result of c variable. First observe here, inside a double quotations, whatever the data, whatever the like text you have written, that will visible over the screen as it is. Just observe here. One more thing, here you are not passing the any arguments, you are not calling a function. This add is one of the function. If you want to see the output of a, this like add function, means this is the like business logic of a add function. If you want to see the output of this one, so you have to call the this add function. So I am trying to call this add function by passing the arguments. Observe here, for this a is the input parameter. For that I am passing a 10 as a one of the value, and for b I am passing the 20 as a value. This is nothing but a passing the arguments. What is the meaning of this? Passing arguments to the input parameters. So here a is the like one of the input parameter and b is the one of the input parameter. For the two input parameters, you are going to pass the values here. 10 is the one of the value you are passing to the like a variable, and 20 is the like one of the value you are going to pass to the b variable. And now inside a you are having a 10 and inside b you are having the 20. Now you are doing the like addition operation. A plus b means a value I passed the like 10 and b value I passed the 20, and a plus b is equal to here like 20 value I'll get, and the 20 value is assigned to as like c. And if you observe here, the result of c variable means up to colon you have kept inside a double quotations. If you have written anything inside a double quotation, means that will print as it is over the screen. But after this colon, I want the result as a 30. So if you would like to see the output here, after this double quotations, I mean inside this double quotations, you have written the some text. After this, you need to use the like one plus symbol. After that, the result is stored inside this C, and you have to keep this one after the plus. Now observe, you can able to see the result of C. The result of C is 30. Means we are having a two types of the variables. One is the parameterized function and one is the non-parameterized function. Non-parameterized function means here we are having a function and function name is show function, and inside this show function there is no any input parameter. If you are not having the any input parameter, means at the time of calling this show function you no need to pass the any arguments. So inside this show function you have written this one called as function, I mean inside a curly braces whatever you have written, this is called as business logic, and that business logic is going to work or call at the time of function calling only. You can able to see the output of this function. And coming to the like, this is a non-parameterized function. Non-parameterized function means there is no any input parameters here. And come to the parameterized function, I am having a one function keyword. After the function keyword, I am having a function name is add function, and inside a add function I am having a comma b, and a comma b are the input parameters. Input parameter means it will take the data from a function calling. For this a variable I am passing a 10 as a value. For this b variable I am passing the 20 as a like one of the data. So at the time of function calling, if you are giving the any data to a input parameters means that is called as passing the arguments. Passing the arguments means sending the values to the input parameters. This is a function keyword and this is add is the function name, and inside a add function you are having a comma b. A comma b are the two input parameters. For that you are passing a 10 comma 20 as a arguments. Arguments means passing the values. So I explained about the parameterized function and non-parameterized function. Next I am going to explain about what is the anonymous function and what is the callback function and what is the immediately invoked function executor.